anyways friends, Daisy here and welcome back to another travel vlog. Yes guys, we just arrived here in Davao International Airport.
Yeah,
we're going to explore Davao.
Yes guys, it's my first time here guys, so this should be exciting.
Yeah, so this is gonna be a lot of fun guys, so follow us in this adventure and let's go.
So yes guys, we just got our bags.
This afternoon guys, we're traveling to Samal Island.
Yeah, to Samal Island.
We're going to stay there overnight. By the way, we'll be staying here in Davao for 5 days.
Yeah, for 5 days. And this morning guys, we have planned to just, give you some sneak peek of what Davao City is going to offer to us. So let's explore Davao guys and come with us. Get lost with us. And actually guys, they have some carinderias here, so I think we're gonna have our breakfast here guys.
Alright guys, so we're here in one of the carinderias outside the airport guys, just across the airport, so yeah.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, we just finished our breakfast and to be honest guys, that was the most expensive carinderia that we've been.
Yeah, anyways guys, we're planning to go to Magay.
Yeah.
And we already asked Ate guys how to get there. So she said that we're just gonna ride from here going to Buhangin and from Buhangin to NCC. So yeah, let's go!
We don't actually have much plans for today guys on the arrival, since we don't have an itinerary for this morning. And right now we're just gonna stroll around here in Davao City and let's see what Davao has to offer to us.
Wow. So we're still here inside Davao International Airport. Yes guys, and we came across this little park, yes, with the monument of durian. So guys, for those of you who don't know, Davao is known for this fruit guys, and actually I've already tried this one when I came here before, and I'm going to challenge Jude to try it. So yeah,
it's going to be my first time to try durian guys.
Yeah. So we're just walking guys, going to the public transportation. So
let's go faster. Thank you.
It's just like 5 minutes walk guys.
No, it's not 5 minutes I think.
No?
It's 10 minutes.
And it's very hot, that's why I'm
going to the gate guys, and we're gonna be trying to commute here even though we're tourists and we don't know which public vehicle to ride.
Actually I already know. Wow! Lagi, buhangin. We're going to ride 2 jeepney guys.
Okay.
So the first one is Buhangin and the next is NCC.
NCC.
Yeah.
Day 1 in Davao, getting lost guys.
So we're going to use the underpass guys.
Yeah.
The Pedestrian underpass in order to cross there from the street.
How cool is this? You can't find this in Cebu City. In Manila, I believe there's an underpass, but in Cebu City you can find an underpass guys.
It's very safe.
Yeah, it's more safe.
Pedestrians, you know.
Oh, look at this guys, so many durians here.
Alright guys, so made it here in our first stop. We're here at Magay Park. Yes guys, so this park guys is one of the oldest park here in Davao City, and it was built in honor of the 3rd president of the Philippines, Ramon Magay. So yeah. Wow. So actually guys, there are a lot of kubos here. We're going to explore this plaza guys, and we're going to show you around the place.
And we also heard guys that there are tribal villages here in this plaza, so I'm super excited because if you guys can still remember our vlog our travel vlog in El Nido in Puerto Princesa. Yeah, we went to Palauan. It's called Palauan Tribal or Tribe. So I'm super excited here, guys, because they said that there's lots and lots of tribes here in this plaza. So yeah, let's go. So guys, look at how peaceful this place is, guys. And we have just decided, guys, to just stay here for the rest of the morning.
I don't know, guys, if you can hear the sound of the jeepneys, but it's quiet here, guys, inside, because you can hear the birds chirping.
Yeah, it's very peaceful.
Yeah, and it's very clean.
Yeah, it's very clean, guys. It's well maintained, guys.
Yeah. So it's currently 10 a.m. guys, and later, guys, we'll find a fast food chain to have our lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
just a while ago we experienced one of the craziest and one of the most expensive eggs in the entire Philippines. That's 30 pesos each, guys. Breakfast.
Usually, guys, it only costs 8 to 10
pesos.
Yeah.
That's what you get when you when you try to eat inside the Philippine airports. It's really, really expensive. It's really dollars, guys. Dollars.
We're just gonna spend our day here. I mean, no, not day, just the morning, guys, because this afternoon we will travel to Samal Island.
Yeah. And by the way, guys, I changed my clothes because it's really wet, soaking wet with sweat, guys. Because it's hot right now. Good thing
very
it's
sweaty.
Yeah, good thing it's sunny right now, guys.
So guys, as what you can see at our back, these are nipa huts of different tribal here in in Davao. In Davao.
Crispy. So we're gonna go upstairs, guys. I believe this is Maranao's royal house. Maranao tribe, guys.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Just a trivia, guys. I've read there that Maranaos have the best clothes out of all the Filipino ethnic groups, and they are called the people of the lake. And let's go inside, guys. Oh, this is the former President Digong Duterte.
Yeah, we miss Tatay Digong.
And our current Vice President Sara Duterte. And then here, guys, let's see here. This is the langkungan. Pulintang. This is an instrument. And this is an agong.
Agong, that's one of the major Maranao musical instruments.
Yeah.
So look at this, guys. This is called kampilan. It's a weapon used by Sultan or Datu. Wow. Look at these things here, guys. These things are not really familiar to us, guys. Look at this. Wow.
So guys, we're gonna put the nation.
Look, there's a monkey, guys. So cute. Hi, what's your name? What's your name? She's afraid. She's afraid though. Nice kita namin video.
So we're here inside the Kagan tribe house. This is really nice, guys. Look at the ceiling.
Yeah, the design.
And the design. It's made of bamboo,
Yeah.
right? Bamboo. And by the way, guys, when you visit the tribal village here inside the Magsaysay Park, you can enter their houses, guys, with of course permission. You will ask permission from the owner or the caretaker, and also you can take pictures and you can also buy their products. So in Marinara they have their products, and here in Kagan they have also their product, and their product is Kagan Suka. So this is a vinegar, guys, with lots of spices. Look at that. Wow, it's only 65 pesos, guys. I really want to buy. I will buy one, bring it back to Cebu.
So drink it.
And Ate, guys, gave us a sample.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Free
I'm gonna
taste.
try it. Oh, it's so yummy, guys.
Lami?
Yeah. It's sweet and spicy.
Vinegar, sweet.
There's a sweet. There's a sweet but spicy.
There's a kick of sweetness and
Oh.
spiciness.
But a lot of spiciness. So guys, unexpectedly I got a
Manicure.
manicure from, what's the name, ate? Michelle. Inside the Kagan tribe.
Hello.
Pasok po kayo.
Pasok po kayo sa bahay namin.
Joke lang.
Hello. Hindi namin alam yung masakayan. Tatanong na kami.
Okay lang, magbait naman mga taga dito.
Oo.
Hindi ka mananakawan. Mission center.
So guys, we're now inside the car of Daryl and Alex, and we're looking for a restaurant to have a lunch. So guys, we are here at SM Lanang. Lanang, right?
Lana.
Yeah, SM Lanang, and my best friend is there with her fiance, and they picked us up from the park, guys. So yeah, we're gonna be having lunch right now, and we're still looking for restaurants.
So we're currently here at SM Lana. So I'm with Jude's best friend and her fiance.
Fiance.
This is, boy, introduce yourself ba? This is,
Napera tong babae.
sige na. Bahala kayo. Sige na. Hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome to my vlog.
Di ba may dim sum break doon sa Cebu?
So yeah,
Din yun, di ba lang
we're
yung
going to
pangalan?
have our lunch here. Like the height.
Okay. Alright guys, we just finished lunch at a dim sum restaurant, right? And how was it, babe? Are you full? So this is our dessert, guys. Ay, hindi siya mag-focus.
Cream cheese lang
So
din.
guys, our dessert, we have here coffee crumble,
Kapareho nga lang.
and the other one is matcha.
Mas tangi yan.
So light.
Mas light lang daw pala.
How's it, babe?
It's like vanilla. It's okay.
Huh? Ito lang?
Matcha.
You know what, guys, that ice cream is way much cheaper, right? For only 110 pesos, you can already have 2 flavor ice creams.
Alright guys, so I think this is the best time to end this vlog here.
Yeah.
I hope guys you enjoyed this video. Actually, we only visited Magsaysay for
Yeah.
today, but tomorrow and the next day we'll still explore more of Davao, guys.
Yeah, more places here in
But,
Davao.
Yeah. So please make sure to check out our next vlog
Yeah.
That will be in Samal Island, guys. We will explore Samal Island and one of the best resort and aqua park in Samal.
Yeah.
So, how's your Davao experience so far been?
It has been great. As far as I can remember, guys, all the things that we've been to, the place, guys, is really clean and well maintained, right?
The people here, guys, are disciplined.
Yeah, very well disciplined and very, courteous,
And
welcoming.
the environment is very clean, guys.
Yeah.
That's what I've observed.
And also, guys, one amazing thing is that smoking areas are very strict everywhere here in Davao City. So you really can't smoke everywhere. It's like in Singapore. The smoking areas are very, very strict and they have really designated smoking areas here.
Again, I will end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you've already subscribed, please make sure to follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is @iamdaysee and my Facebook page is Daisy.
And also on
And-
TikTok, guys, you can
Yeah.
follow us on TikTok. We have more relationship posts there on TikTok. So yeah, better follow iamdaysee, guys.
Yeah. Always remember that every day is a chance to see the beauty of God's creations and
Always seize the day.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
We can pretend that we're just friends, yeah. But who are we kidding? We can pretend that we feel nothing. But if you're game, I am willing.